Hi guys. Brief description of a lesson that I've kind of worked on and have taught in the past is a lesson on ancient Rome and ancient Rome's government. Um, the brief summary is I'm trying to make current connections from governments that are available or around our world today to how Rome set theirs up and was a model for others to follow. How do I use technology in this lesson? Well, this lesson is basically, like I said, I've tried to emulate and show primary sources of other governments that emulate after ancient Rome. I use my projector, I use PowerPoint presentation, I use primary sources. Uh, Students are using technology by, usually analyzing those sources on their Chromebooks or going out and finding information or reading other sources. Um, how does the technology probably improve learning with students? Well, it gives them the opportunity to look in their own perception, kind of read, internalize the reading themselves. Makes it easier for me to say, okay, what did you see here, and how does this connect to here? Because in the idea of history, it's all current connections, in my opinion, at least. And it also shows how we've evolved over time, improving ourselves as a civilization and society. How does data inform my instruction in this lesson? Well, I usually like to start out by seeing if kids understand what the difference between a democracy and a republic is, and the way of it's one's a conception, one's an actual idea put into effect. Okay, so usually in the end, I like to do a little formative assessment in between, sticky note kind of thing, where they answer a few questions to see how they would feel if they were a lower class in society and wanted a lot more voice. Um, are there any student choice opportunities in this lesson? Well, of course, I give them the opportunity in that to see, make a formative decision on what they deem appropriate as a form of, rebellion or choice for their government. And then technology allows them um, to go beyond what we were here in the classroom and identify other sources, primary sources out there, read through what Romans were thinking about their government at the time and why others like Thomas Jefferson and the founding fathers decided that ancient Rome was a great example of what a government should look like. And that's why we emulate it here in the United States. Um, does this lesson allow students to collaborate? Oh yeah, definitely. There's times where I've used kind of like a collaboration letter where they're writing to senators to express the way they want to run their government and ideas. Um, it's kind of one of those ones where they can talk with each other and maybe all of them write a newspaper article or opinion piece and share it like they're a newspaper columnist sharing their opinion or an editorial columnist with other people. So that's a little lesson that I've been working on. Thanks for listening.